So here's the MediaTek Aster MT2502. MediaTek LinkIt. So what is this?
Okay. MediaTek Aster is our latest chipset for wearable and IoT devices. So you can see from this. This is how people traditionally do the smartwatch.
Sorry, let me see it again. Yeah,
this one.
Yeah.
Then they have 4 to 5 chipsets. They have MCU. They have a PMIC. They need a Bluetooth. They need a memory, and then sometimes they need a modem. So we integrate all these 5 chipsets into Aster.
Cool. So it's all these 4 things in one.
Yes, actually it's 5. There's also a modem.
Modem also.
A modem also. GSM and GPRS.
5 in one.
Yes.
How big is it?
So you can see from here. This is the Galaxy Gear Fit. This one. So you can see a lot of chipset. So we integrate all these chipsets into Aster, the white arrow.
So let me try to focus right. So yours is just the white arrow. That's it.
Yeah, just single chip.
Up there. And in that one you have the same as all those in the Galaxy Fit.
Yes.
Which CPU they use?
I think it's the
Samsung chip?
Cortex M4. I'm not sure it's Samsung or SD.
So that's a Cortex M4 solution here. What is yours?
We're ARM7.
ARM7?
ARM7.
So Cortex A7?
No, Cortex. It's ARM7, not Cortex.
Which one, kind of? ARM V7, you mean?
It's ARM7, ARM7 EJS. It's not here.
Okay.
So
ARM7 is. How do you compare that to a MT2502, for example? Do you run Android, or you cannot run Android?
No, we don't run Android. We have our CPU runs at 260 megahertz. So 6572 runs. I think it's 1.4 or 1.2.
Yeah.
So it's different. So our platform is we designed to make a low power and low lasting smartwatch. We want to expand the day of use.
So before the smartwatch, there's also a 6572, for example, like this one, and there's a 62880 or something. 6260. 6260 is no Android. What is that?
It's our proprietary platform.
Is it based on C code or?
No, it's run Nuclear OS.
Nuclear.
It's an RTOS.
RTOS OS.
Yes.
And so that's the basic $30 maybe smartwatch, but that's just a Bluetooth watch, right? So how's it different from this solution?
Yeah, the 6260 is not very low power. Yeah, we have designed a special mechanism in this chip, which we call its tiny system. So this chip, when you operate it, it runs at 260 megahertz. So when it comes into suspend mode, it will run at 26 megahertz. So it will become very low power.
Suspend mode. So you call this smart? What do you call it?
So we call it tiny system.
Timing.
Tiny. Tiny system.
So it's not the same OS as the 6260.
It's different.
It's similar or not?
It's similar.
Nucleus is
Nucleus.
A tiny OS or tiny system?
Tiny OS. Tiny system.
Tiny system. And that allows for this kind of UI, or?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. When you operate it, it runs on Nucleus. But when you goes into suspend mode, like you are not operating it, it will go into tiny system. So it will become very low power.
How low power? How long time does it last on a small battery?
Our calculation, if you regular use, it will last for about 4 days.
4 days in regular use instead of 2 days, maybe, or other smartwatches.
Other smartwatches, one day, like Galaxy Gear Fit, only maybe 1 to 1.5 day. We have 4 days.
4 days.
4 to 5 days.
But it also really depends on the display, right?
Yes.
Really. Is MediaTek doing any investment in the display technology?
No, we have tried to find low power display and collaborate with our display partners.
So you work with all the display guys to find a lower display.
Yeah,
do you do anything with e-ink?
Yeah, we also try to integrate in. Also, we have.
This can work with this?
Yes.
So this is not only smartwatch. What is this?
This?
Yeah, where can it go? Smartwatch?
You can smartwatch, smart wristband, or some IoT, small IoT devices.
So that's like a tracker, maybe?
Yeah. Some customers use this to make trackers.
trackers, but is it for, let's say, something like Google Glass?
I think if you want to make Google Glass, you need a very high resolution about the display.
What's the display resolution here?
Only QVGA.
QVGA, so 320.
Yeah, 320. It's for small devices. It's not for Google Glass. Google Glass you need 720p.
And this is maybe very entry price.
Yes, very entry price.
What are we talking about? $30 or?
I'm not sure the price. Sorry.
Not sure the price. Sorry, I asked for this. What is going on here?
Okay, this is in August we will have a we have a new organization which is called MediaTek Lab. So before we only deliver introduce our product to our direct customer. But in August we will have a developer portal, and we will sell this development board, and we will let people download the SDK. So people who are interested in using MediaTek platform, they can get the device, they can download the SDK, they can get the support from our development portal.
Nice. So this is a development board.
Yeah, development board. It's Arduino compatible.
Nice. So you have all the connectors.
You can this is 2502. It has the GSM, GPRS, and also you can connect your SD card and audio. It's all controlled by this 2502. And we also have the Wi-Fi and GPS. So it's
That's
very powerful development board.
That nucleus and tiny system, is it open source?
No, it's not open source.
It's going to be in the future?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Not open source.
Not
so
open source
it means that the hackers cannot change it to do some crazy other stuff.
But we have our SDK, so they can develop based on our SDK.
All right. That means with the SDK, with the cloud service, you can maybe add some notification to specific application and Android with Bluetooth 4.
Yes.
And you can have application on the phone, right?
Yes.
And then just see it as a smart wearable device here. How soon is this on the market?
Customers' product will on the market approximately August.
August. So very fast.
Yes, very fast.
MediaTek is always very fast, no?
Yes.
Never slow.